Okay, today doing another walk around, show you what I've accomplished just lately. You can see there's less styrofoam on the roof now. That's because I'm slowly using it all up. I have been working on the inside of the trailer. Mostly doing insulation. I managed to fix the storm door or screen door so it stays latched to the other one. Makes it much easier to open and close without it flopping around. What I ended up doing, you see some of them say no glue or NG. What I did was I put quite a few on without any glue on them, and it got mild enough out that the heater warmed it right up in here. So now, as you can see, the two windows at the back, these two windows at the back are rough framed. The kitchen window is going to be in that little area here. I'll fill the rest of the gaps. I've got the whole flat part of the ceiling is done. The rear part is done. As you can see, this is the curved part. So I made up some little braces to force it to conform to the curve. You see a little crack here. This one was nice and tight, forced it in. That's not going to bother anything anyway. These ones those are the flatter part of the roof, or sorry, the flatter part of the back of the trailer. It has a round point at the top, a round part at the top and a round part at the bottom with approximately, I don't know, about 5 feet of straight wall, sloping wall. So everything worked out fairly well. It was easy to do these shapes at the front and the back because I have pre-cut the inner plywood for the nose, the front nose and the rear of the trailer, so they make good templates for cutting the foam. So I'm quite happy now. All I have to do now is a few little odds and ends like I showed you, and the whole front area here, which won't take me very long. But apparently we're going back into lockdown here in Ontario, so tomorrow we're going down to the trailer dealer where I got a lot of the stuff that I'm going to be using, because we need 2 more windows. There's going to be 1 window cut into the back here, possibly a window on the front here, not too sure about that. And we'll be getting our hatches. There'll be a hatch going here. I'll have to add a cross brace, and there'll be a hatch going where you can see the framing here. The other thing I'm going to get a hatch for is the side mount air conditioning unit. I thought, rather than try to make a bunch of grills to keep the water out, why not just put a hatch that will drop down whenever we want to use the air conditioning. When we're not using air conditioning, the hatch will be closed. Everything will be nice and watertight. At least that's my plan. Obviously not every plan I make works out, but we decided to, originally the air conditioner was going to be on top of the fridge. The fridge is going to be here, but the problem is then it would have to be not a non-matching box basically, but by putting it over here then it can be a box on its own, and where it was going to go above the fridge can be a separate cupboard. Actually, I'll probably build Our old trailer has a flip down hatch to make another sleeping area in this area, like a bunk bed. We're not going to bother with that. So there's going to be cupboards going right down to the shower area, and I'm going to run cupboards right from the door all the way to the back. So there's going to be a lot of storage. Alright, that's about it for today. Thanks for watching.